Sea turtles are amazing. They are like giant reptiles gliding through the ocean. They are so graceful. Did you know they have been around since the time of the dinosaurs? They are truly ancient creatures. I love watching them swim. It makes me want to protect them. Sea turtles are very important for the ocean. They help keep the ocean healthy. They eat jellyfish and seagrass. This helps keep the balance in the ocean ecosystem. We need to protect these gentle giants of the sea. Sadly, sea turtles are endangered. This means they are in danger of disappearing forever. There are many reasons why sea turtles are endangered. One big problem is pollution. Plastic pollution is really bad for sea turtles. They can mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and eat them. This can make them sick. Sometimes it can even kill them. We need to keep our oceans clean for sea turtles. Sea turtles face many dangers, even in the wild. Predators love to eat their eggs and hatchlings. On the beach, raccoons, birds, and crabs can steal the eggs. When baby turtles hatch, they have to make a run for the ocean. But even more predators are waiting. Birds, fish, and even crabs can snatch them up. It's a tough journey for these little guys. We can all help sea turtles. Even small actions can make a big difference. One way is to keep our beaches clean. You can join a beach cleanup or simply pick up trash when you see it. Another way to help is to support sea turtle conservation groups. These groups work hard to protect sea turtles and their habitats. You can donate to them or volunteer your time. Every little bit helps. Let's all do our part to protect these amazing creatures.